Earth is full of life. There are thousands of habitats and ecosystems, and millions of species of animals, plants, fungi, and insects. This is biodiversity, the sum total of all different life on Earth. Every one of these species depends on the others for survival, including ourselves. We need trees that clean our air and water, animals and plants that provide us food, medicine and biofuels, and insects that pollutate our crops. The more biodiversity there is, the more resilient the environment is. But when this is delicate balance is upset, the entire ecosystem can collapse. And right now, what that is exactly happening as our society and demand for our resources grows our activity or causes unprotected habitat destruction all over the world, triggering what some call the sixth mass extinction. In just the last 50 years, wildlife population have been reduced by 60%, and 40% of the world's plant species are also at risk, and the insect polluted is collapsing globally. Loss of biodiversity is perhaps the biggest consequences of the climate crisis. This threatens our food supply, disabilities, our ecosystem can increase the risk of disasters such as globally pandemic. Even though a lot of damage has already been done, or not all is lost. In fact, we have what is that take to fix this. Despite the rapid biodiversity loss, we have experiencing our world as a remarkable capacity to adapt and recover quickly through built-in self-healing mechanisms. Research has found that the most ecosystem can recover within just one lifetime. At One Seed Center, we work with our partners to restore forest system by planting millions of trees all over the world.